Moderna has filed 2 patent infringement lawsuits against Pfizer and BioNTech. The giant vaccine maker is suing the rival vaccine makers, alleging they infringed on its patents in developing their COVID-19 shot, which was administered to hundreds of millions around the world. The lawsuits have been filed by Moderna in the U.S. District Court in Massachusetts and in the regional court in Germany. Moderna has accused the US-based company Pfizer and the Germany-based company BioNTech of violating the intellectual property rights on key elements of its mRNA technology in developing the vaccine. According to Cambridge, Massachusetts-based Moderna, claiming that it had patents from 2010 to 2016 on the mRNA technology that made its Spikevax shot possible, and the other 2 companies copied its technology without permission. It's important to understand that the mRNA technology used in Moderna and Pfizer BioNTech shots is different from the one in traditional vaccines. The conventional vaccines rely on injecting weakened or dead forms of a virus to allow the immune system to recognize it and build antibodies, while mRNA vaccines can be constructed quickly using only the pathogen's genetic code. Meaning, the vaccines deliver instructions to cells to build a harmless piece of the spike protein found on the surface of the virus that causes COVID-19. And after creating this spike protein, our cells break down the mRNA and remove it, leaving the body as waste. Next, our cells display the spike protein piece on their surface. Our immune system recognizes that the protein does not belong there and triggers our immune system to produce antibodies to fight it off. In a statement, Moderna has said, and I'm quoting, Moderna expected companies like Pfizer and BioNTech to respect its intellectual property rights and would consider a commercially reasonable license should they request one for other markets, but Pfizer and BioNTech have failed to do so. Back in October 2020, Moderna had pledged not to enforce its COVID-19 related patents while the pandemic raged on. But less than 2 years later, that stance has changed. These types of lawsuits are not unheard of in the pharmaceutical industry, where patents can be worth billions of dollars. WION now available in your country. Download the app now. Get all the news on the move.